everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be working on a 20 by 24 inch gala wrap canvas, and I will be using shades of blue, primary blue, phthalo blue, and a dark navy. And this is all done on a white base. I spread the base thinly, not too thick, so you will see when I blow it, I have to keep using the blow dryer to push the paint. That's because there's not a lot of base. I did it like that intentionally. I'm all about experimenting, and I want to see where this is gonna lead. I do hope you guys do enjoy the video, and of course if you do like it, share it with your friends and family. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and go ahead and subscribe if you're new and you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. You won't be disappointed. I am trying to post more frequently, at least twice a week, and I do have a playlist that you guys can go and check it out, various techniques as well. Whatever days I don't post a video, I do different techniques, guys. You guys will be amazed. You guys will love it. Yeah, I just want you guys to watch this video all the way to the end, and you will see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away, guys. Thank you so much. If you guys made it all the way to this part, here it is. This is the close-up of the wet result. I am so loving it. I'm happy that I added the extra gold in here. It brings out the blue, it adds some contrast, it really gives this piece a little bit more definition. And of course, you know what guys, the color, the blue, the shades, they do stand out a little bit more for me, and I do love that. You know, sometimes you think your painting is going sideways and you're not too happy about it. You know guys, just go ahead and add, you know, contrasting colors or something to brighten your painting. You know, don't be afraid. Remember that you're having fun, and remember to always make this, you know, your painting more playful, and you know, experiment. You know, go for it. You guys know how I always love to do my center and have those cells in the middle. This time I did not. And of course, here it is, all dried. It dried amazing. Can I tell you how much I love this piece? I do love it. I really do love it. Blues are just amazing. They're a beautiful shade, beautiful color. Let me know what you guys think about this piece in the comment section below. And of course, if you do love it, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.